Becoming an expert at wood carving takes a lot of work. There are different types of carving to learn and various carving techniques, not to mention other skills like knowing how to choose the right wood. However, none of these matter if you don't have the right tools. Having the best wood carving knife will make whittling look easy and learning quick. There are many products available to choose from, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews of customers, and compiled a list of the best wood carving knife from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Beavercraft Slate Knife C4 3.14. We start this list with a brand every beginner should get to know. Beavercraft has only been on the scene for a short time, but they make excellent whittling knives. The case in point is their Slate Knife C4. This whittling maestro was made with convenience and longevity in mind. The blade is made of high carbon steel hardened to RC 58 to 60, which is as hard as you'll ever need. The sharpness and strength of this knife make it perfect for carving softwood. However, you can also use it on greenwood and hardwoods like oak and walnut. Speaking of oak, that is what the ergonomic handle is made of, and it has been coated with natural linseed oil. So, not only is the blade dependable, but the oak handle will also last a long time, provided you reapply a top coat every couple of years or whenever it begins to wear out. This knife is long, 8 inches, light, weighs 0.32 ounces, and comfortable. You can use this for hours without developing hand fatigue. The only drawback is that high carbon steel can be difficult to sharpen and prone to rust. Fortunately, this remains sharp for a long time, and you can coat the knife with WD-40 to delay rust. Number 2. Beavercraft Wood Carving 106 Knife. Next we move to a product that is different from Beavercraft in many ways. For starters, Beavercraft knives have been the go-to tool for woodcarvers for over a century, making them one of the most trusted brands in the industry. The second important distinction is that this wood carving knife is made for professionals and is priced accordingly. However, it is not so expensive that it should scare off beginners. The stainless steel blade may not be as strong as high carbon steel, but it is rust-proof. The laminated steel blade also makes it more resilient to impact and humidity. Whether you are carving softwood or hardwood, the 3.2-inch blade will help you make confident sweeping rough cuts, as well as delicate pear cuts. The oiled birch wood handle is ergonomic and gives you excellent control. You also get a sheath to help you store this wood carving knife, and to preserve the blade from accidental damage. We would have preferred a leather sheath for the price rather than plastic, but it is not a deterrent. Number 3. BPS Knives HK1's Camping Bushcraft Knife. If you spend a lot of time outdoors and want to pass the time whittling some greenwoods or preparing tinder, you need something rugged and dependable. Quite frankly, it doesn't get better than the BPS Bushcraft knife. This brand makes several great camping knives, but stands above the crowd. Made from high 1066 carbon steel and sharpened for immediate use, this Bushcraft knife was designed to make camping easier. The blade is 4.4 inches, making it one of the longest on our list, and with good reason. This length makes it easy to take apart larger branches without a sweat. The handle is made of walnut and has been covered in Danish oil for protection. While this whittling knife won't give you the type of control you expect from a typical carving knife, this wasn't built for flawless designs, but more rough cuts. When you need to put it away, a leather sheath is provided, and it can be hung on your belt. This blade will rust, so always rinse and dry after using on greenwood. Number 4. Buck Knives Trio Folding Pocket Knife. Next, we have another pocket knife, but this one comes with 3 blades and was made for whittling. The Buck Knives Trio Folding Pocket Knife is one in a long line of pocket knives from a legendary company that has existed for over a century. Their mastery of knife making shines through in this durable, light, and practical tool. The blades are made out of 420J2 stainless steel, which is a corrosion-resistant metal that sharpens to a fine edge and is fairly strong. However, not so strong that you should use this for anything other than softwood. When it comes to carving, you can use the clip-point blade for detail work, the spay blade for rough cuts, and the sheep's foot blade for straight cuts on a flat surface. Number 5. FlexCut Whittling Jack. FlexCut returns to our list with a whittling jack that does what it says on the pack. This is one of the best wood carving knives for carving on the go. It is designed to be compact yet versatile and dependable. When closed, this jack is just 43 long, so it can conveniently fit in your pocket or carrying pack. So, whether you are taking a hike around your neighborhood, passing the time at the park, or camping, you can easily carry this knife and put it to work. And oh, does it work? That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.